Dosage: eat as much as you want. Canned and homemade showed the same benefits, the study found. Natural cough remedy: licorice root. How it works: licorice root has a distinctive flavor, but there's little of it, if any, in most licorice candy. The real thing is a demulcent, an agent that forms a protective coating, relieving irritated mucous membranes. It's similar to mucilage. It's also an expectorant, Siani says. I recommend it a lot to my patients. Licorice reduced coughing by 40% in a 2005 animal study by Hoshi University in Japan, published in the European Journal of Pharmacology. Some licorice preparations have an active ingredient called glycyrrhiza, which can lead to serious side effects, such as high blood pressure and water retention, warns the National Center for Complementary and Alternative Medicine, NCCAM. So check with your doctor, or look for deglycrrhizated licorice, which means the ingredient has been removed. Form of herbal cough remedy, tea or lozenge. Dosage: use 1 to 5 grams of dried root in a boiled infusion 3 times daily. Consult your doctor before using the herb for more than a week. Doctor